In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete permanently in Proton Mail. We'll walk through how to erase a message for good, so it's not just sitting in trash but actually gone from your mailbox. This is helpful when you want to remove sensitive or unnecessary emails and keep your account tidy. Keep in mind, permanent means there's no undo, so I'll point out where to double check before you commit. Start by opening Proton Mail in your web browser and signing in as you normally would. Once you're in your mailbox, look to the left-hand side of the screen. That side panel is your main navigation, where you can switch between folders like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and Trash. If you don't immediately see the folder list, try expanding the sidebar or widening your browser window so all labels are visible. Go ahead and select the Trash folder. Remember, when you delete a message from your inbox or another folder, it first moves into Trash. At this stage, it's not permanently removed yet, which is why you can still restore it if you made a mistake. Today, we're going one step further to erase a specific message forever. Inside Trash, find the email you want to remove permanently. Hover your mouse over that email's row. As you hover, look to the right side of the row, and you'll notice a small set of icons appear. These quick action icons are there, so you can act on the message without opening it. Among them, you'll see an icon that looks like an X. That X is the permanent delete action. Click the X icon. Proton Mail will immediately show a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to permanently delete the message. This is an important safeguard. Take a second to confirm you've selected the correct email by checking the sender and subject in the prompt. Permanent deletion bypasses the trash and can't be reversed later. If you're certain, click Delete to confirm. The message will disappear from the trash folder, indicating it has been removed for good. If it doesn't vanish right away, give the page a moment to refresh. You can repeat this process for any other emails you want to erase permanently, hovering each message and clicking the X, then confirming. A quick tip: if the icons aren't appearing, make sure your pointer is directly over the message row and not hovering over a header or white space. Also, pausing for a moment over the row can help the icons render. And that's it. You've permanently deleted an email in Proton Mail, ensuring it's fully removed and your mailbox stays organized.